Welcome! In this video, we will explore Linux command line tools, focusing on finding executable files and related files using the which and whereis commands. These tools are essential for understanding where programs are located on your system and how to use them effectively. Let's start with the which command. The which command is used to locate the executable file that is associated with the given command. It searches through the directories that are listed in the $ph environment variable. For example, typing which Python will show you the path to the Python executable. Similarly, which ls will show you the path to the ls command, and which bash will show you the path to the bash executable. In each case, the command returns the full path to the executable file. Now let's look at some examples of how to use the which command. First, to find multiple executables, you can use which followed by the command name. This will display all matching executables found in your $path. For example, which Python might show both /usr/bin/python and /usr/local/bin/python if you have multiple Python installations. This is helpful when you need to know all the locations of a particular command. Also, you can use the exit status of the which command to check if a command exists on your system. For example, which git redirects standard error and standard output to dev null, and an echo git is installed will print git is installed if git is found. Conversely, which non-existent redirects standard error and standard output to dev null or echo not found will print not found if the command non-existent is not found. The &greater than /dev/null is a command that redirects both the standard output, represented by 1, and the standard error, represented by 2, to a null device. Next, we'll discuss the whereis command. The whereis command is used to locate the binary, source, and manual page files for a command. Unlike which, whereis searches for binary executables, manual pages, and source code files. For example, typing whereis Python will show you the locations of the Python binary, library, and manual page. Similarly, whereis ls will show the location of the ls binary and its manual page, and whereis gcc will show the locations of the gcc binary, library, and manual page. The whereis command also comes with several useful options. The b option is used to search for binaries only. For example, whereis b Python will only show the binary locations for Python. The m option searches for manual pages only. For example, whereis mls will only show the manual page location for ls. The s option searches for source files only. For example, whereis sgcc will show the source file locations for gcc. The U option shows only the command names that have unusual entries. The capital B option allows you to define the list of directories to search for binaries, and the capital M option allows you to define the list of directories to search for manual pages. Additionally, you can combine options like B and M. For example, whereis bm find will show both the binary and manual page locations for the find command. Finally, let's compare which and whereis to understand when to use each. Which only searches for executable files in the $path, returns the first match by default, is primarily used to find the exact path of a command, offers a faster and more focused search, and is useful in scripts to check if a command exists. It is best for when you need to know exactly which executable will run when you type a command. For example, which Python 3. On the other hand, whereis searches for binaries, man pages, and source files, searches in standard system locations, returns all matches by default, provides more comprehensive information, and can filter results by type using options like B, M, and S. It is best for when you need to find documentation or source code related to a command. For example, whereis gcc. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.